Yo, what's up guys? So we just got new rotors and brake pads for the Audi. They told us higher price, so we saved about $100 by just going to AutoZone and buying the parts ourselves. And we're gonna be changing the brake pads and the rotors because they were rusty. So we got the new rotor. We just gotta wash the car. It's looking a little dusty, but we put in the new rotor. We brought it to the shop because we don't have a lift, so it would have been, we saved some time doing that. But changed the rear rotors and the pads, so the car's looking and performing much better, So we'll see what else we need to do to get it ready to go. If you guys saw, this was missing, so we got two of these for about like $50. They're not original, but they actually look better than the original. This is the original one, so we're gonna swap these out and actually put this on eBay or something, because we couldn't find the original and they were much more expensive. So we're gonna be replacing this with the aftermarket. So this pops out easily. You just have to pull it from this side, and there's a couple of clips. Let me see. So this side popped out. Oh. Well, if you want to do it the hard way, then you gotta take the whole bumper off. And we're not gonna do that because we don't even need this.
Didn't you say we were gonna put it on eBay?
Yeah, we'll put it as is. Doesn't matter.
As is, with no clips.
Yo, we need a screwdriver. Flathead. So best way to do this is to take off the whole bumper. But since we have the bumper already popped off right here, I'm just gonna use the flathead, like a long one, so you can reach and just get those clips open. So I'm gonna pop the bottom, okay, and the top. All right, so this should come off. If you guys see, actually none of the clips broke. Oh, maybe only the top one, but that's okay. So we're just gonna put the new one. You don't need to do much. You literally just
maybe clean it up a little.
Yeah, you clean this a little bit. So we're just gonna clean this up. Because we're never gonna take that off again. So it's better to use a microfiber. But it doesn't matter for now. We're just gonna clean this up a little bit. And we're gonna wash the car anyway, so basically you just put this in and it pops right in. Just push it in like that. Make sure the clips are aligning with the holes. That one popped in. This one. That's it. If you get the clicking sound, that means it's it. So it's just added like 5 horsepower. We just upgraded. You got more air flowing in because this one's blocked. So we're good. Car already looks much better, but we're gonna go wash it. A lot of dirt. Sounds good. And clean it up and It's almost ready to go. Damn. Super clean, man. Much better. Looking good. Sounding good. What's up, guys? So we're gonna be taking some pictures. We just washed it, and you got like a little curb rash or whatever. So we're gonna be touching these rims up with plastic dip glossy. These are about like $5 to $10, pretty cheap, and they're pretty good. I've used it on different cars before, and we're just gonna be fixing these on every rim. So stay tuned. S-line, baby. Stop playing. Ready to go. It's ready to go, man. Shit. That grill looks sexy, man.